Hello, I'm the Pen and Bridge coder, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the C# error CS0826. Okay, so if I try to run this example program here, I will get the following message, that no best type found for implicitly typed array. Okay, and I get the implicitly typed message since I have omitted the data type in my array initialization here. Okay, so I'm basically telling the compiler to figure out which data type that I want given the data items in my array initialization. So, and what the compiler basically responds to us now is that the items in your array initialization are not all the same. They have different data types and I can't solve it for you. So I'm going to show you a small trick now on how you can proceed with solving this error. And first of all, you could, if you can't already now see what's wrong with it, make an explicitly typed array initialization. So I want a string array here, as you can see in my variable name. So if I put in just string here, which I would expect from the compiler, you can see that the error reveals itself on the first data item. So it says I cannot implicitly convert type char to string. So whoops, as you can see in my sentence I love you, which going into my string array, I made a mistake and I put the I in this character signs here. And to solve this I need to make this item into a string, right? So I could either just put in your regular quote marks, and you can see the compiler is happy. I will not compile it, but just given the lack of error lines in Visual Studio, okay? Or also I could do a conversion from character to string, okay? So if you see now, I get the error back since I put back these character signs. But if I put to string afterwards, you can see that the compiler is happy because this is now a string data type. And now that we have figured out what the error was about, we could, if we wanted to, actually remove this explicit data type for the array initialization, because now all items are the same data type and the compiler will be happy either way. So that's how you solve the C# error CS0826.